Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by isolating hazards and pinpointing vibration sources. First, turn power off and drain pressure. Safety first. Then, check rubber mounts and fasteners for wear because loose mounts transmit most noise. Once done, remove obvious rattles, tighten bolts, and replace cracked mounts with anti-vibration pads. While you work, test run short bursts to hear change. This guides the next steps and prevents needless disassembly. Now focus on mechanical sources. You replace worn mounts with 1/2 pads or spring isolators because isolation cuts structure-borne noise. Next, balance couplings and align shafts. Misalignment creates harmonic noise. Check belts for glazing and use a tension gauge. Correct tension reduces squeal. Then, wrap exposed chains or high-speed components with muffler wrap to damp airborne noise. Make sure to secure panels and covers. Loose panels act like speakers, so clip them tight and retest to measure improvement. Finish by treating the acoustic path. You install a fire-rated acoustic liner inside an enclosure. 1 to 2 inches works, while keeping vents and clearances per spec because airflow matters. Add intake and exhaust silencers and use flexible ducting to prevent vibration transfer into ducts. Once assembled, run staged tests at idle and full load, monitoring temperature and airflow. If you hear a persistent tone, pinpoint resonance with short runs. Troubleshooting tip: if rattling returns, recheck mounts and add small mass or damping where the tone concentrates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.